you look for turnarounds, major turnarounds, you make 2, 3 moves a year and it makes your year. That's a whole career. If you're chasing momentum, you got to work your ass off every day. You make more
Yo.
money, but it's not guaranteed. Does rent look low? Perfect. So, like Buffett looks for a business that has a repeatable, sustainable
So
advantage in their business, a moat. That's what they look for, a repeatable, sustainable advantage. Like Starbucks sells coffee, nobody's going to quit coffee. If they want to dabble into selling donuts, they can't. Okay, so he wants the fact that they have coffee that they can rely on, deliver the money, use cash to explore other opportunities. All right, so if you do sold puts and calls at turnaround points, at resistance and support, now you got your gravy.
whoops,
Now
that
you
is
can
not
start
it.
doing some fringe trades to, X% of your account, you do swing trading to create alpha, to beat the market. How about you establish a base of barely, beating the market just barely, like market. I wouldn't call it alpha. I can do 11 to 18% by selling puts and calls consistently over a year. I have no doubt in my mind. Any year, any what upswing, downswing, I have no problem. Okay, so if you can establish that base and you hunt a few Palantirs and a few breakouts and a few buy intraday or 2 week swings or 1 day swings, perfect. There are some people that expect too much, but if you sell something against your expectations, suddenly you're not as extreme as your thesis. You moderate your thesis by taking the other side. Okay. Check.
Yo, what's good, bro? You hear me?
What's good?
All right, bet.
Will know that they're not wanting to bounce. Okay, they will. If we go above the highs, that wolf wave is technically negated. You still have the harmonic oscillation. So you know that I'm not like 100% conviction. I'm just following the
That's
trend.
just better or not?
Yes, but Palantir has not worked itself out. I am short Palantir as well, but I'm selling puts against my long.
I think it should be straight now.
If you can move it up, yeah.
Yo, can you hear Nick in the background or not?
Sometimes it's broken. You move up, you're starting, so you expect a drop, but not necessarily a retop. Um, the
The
DAX
DAX
is
is
up
up
2%,
2%.
so I
So
guess
I guess
Germany was
Germany was
really
really
worried
worried
about
about
the
the
Ukraine.
Ukraine.
That anybody
Anybody
knows?
knows?
I
I
asked
asked
earlier
earlier
today. I
today. I
missed the
missed
answer.
the
I'm
answer.
sorry,
I'm
but
sorry
do
if I
you know
did. You know
ETF
ETF.
that trades the DAX? The DAX is a German market. It's at
It's at
all-time
all-time
highs and
highs and
gap
gap
up
up
into
into
all-time
all-time
highs.
highs.
How do we
How do we
short that
short
bad
that
boy?
bad boy?
Check it
Check
out.
it out.
Look at it. Gap
Gap
up.
up.
This is the
This is the
11-6
11-6
moment.
moment.
Look at
Look
this.
at this.
Not a red
Not a
tick
red
in
tick in
sight.
sight.
I don't
I don't
disagree
disagree
again.
again.
Squeeze it
Squeeze
in.
it in.
I'm gonna go
I'm
on
gonna go on
Twitter and
Twitter and
ask,
ask,
solicit
solicit
help.
Yeah, fuck it. I'm just waiting for this, bro. How does the screen look? Does the screen look straight, like quality? Cause low key, last time I was testing this shit, it looked like shit. Nah, but yeah, pretty much that's it, bro. Wickfield right here. Start flipping from here. Head lower. And then the real path is down to low key I loaded some for 2 weeks out, or I'm waiting to load for 2 weeks out. And mid March, like March 14, March 21, those should be straight. So she got lower targets. Same targets we've been had. She's just lagging. It's the same pattern, just repeating. This one right here. So come down, bounce. Come down, bounce. So there's a third one. There's a third bounce. As long as we stay below here, this high, we're straight. So pop into that 6100 and then we'll see what's up.
at the stall. Look how seriously stuck we are after all the volatility today. Hmm. Who wants to say something right now as far as something unusual going on right now? The XLF? Okay, I'll watch the XLF. What about it? Sell the rally? That's not evident. The score is green, higher lows, higher highs. We think it's going to sell. We do have technical patterns and options data that say lower should be going on today, but that hasn't materialized. We have superstars today like Apple, Nvidia.
My bad, bro. I was getting some orders filled. Well, not filled, placing orders. Let's see. Let me double check everything.
I'm going to find out something on my screen. The 100
Bro, why does this shit not organize by date?
trying to recover that.
14, 14, 28, 21. 14, 14, 28, 21, 28.
Slide through area of contention. This is the
75.
one weird candle that happened a few days today, and
Alright, buggy. Let's get it.
that's not gonna.
No, I didn't freeze. My bad, bro. I was placing some.
Unusual play where you could say, okay,
I placed some orders in case we do get that 6100 wick fill right now.
before they break out of that box.
Let me send you the write up I just did too, low key. I'm gonna send it to you on Discord.
These two lines are pretty important right now for the market. This is not the entire SPY, but it's a pretty decent chunk of the SPY. Look how tight the range is right now in the SPY.
So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I just sent it on SPX, but yeah, Meta, Netflix, Costco, they all look crazy, bro. So
the first order was by
Meta, like, come on, bro. As soon as we flip this, we got massive downside range. But as for the triggers, if I only grab one, what's the best bang for your buck? You're talking for like a swing? If you're talking like a swing, bang for your buck, no risk, then it has to be SPY. Because don't get me wrong, bro, you could get paid out for sure on Meta, Netflix, Costco. You could get paid out on all of them, but you already know you're gonna pay double. You're gonna pay double. Excuse me. You're gonna pay double the fucking IV and premium, if not more. How much money you trying to run? Like a $300 trade, 500? Cause I just loaded some. Well, I set orders for some. I'll probably take SPY, bro, straight up. Up to you though. 600 cash or 600 put? I don't know what you at. Let me see. Look, bro, I fucking loaded. Well, not loaded, but I set orders for.
after the fact, after the rally, now pays 63.
Let me keep an eye on SPX. So.
30 or $45.
So I got orders on the. So check the write up, bro. I sent it to you on Discord. But pretty much I got some for February 28, March 14, and March 21. So one's like a kind of aggressive bi-weekly short. That one should pay a little more, and then the one out to March 21 and March 14, that one's more like of a, well, not more of a swing, that shit is a swing. I'm gonna hold those for a bit. I loaded 600, well, for March 14, I loaded 600s down to 585, so one set of 600s, one set of 585s. And then March 21, same thing, 600 set, 585 set. And I grabbed a 575 too, just like fuck it, just in case we go crazy. But yeah, that's probably what I'd run. And they're not that expensive. Well, I mean, they're pretty, like, obviously a good couple $100 each, but they're not like compared to like everything else, that's not bad, bro. Like for the March 14 600, those are like at 550. The 585s are like at 275, 270. So up to you. If you want to go with the March 14th or the March 21s, those are probably like the best safer, not so aggressive swings. If you want to go crazy, then probably run the 28. None of them show your expiration, bro. The picture you sent me, open up your your little section so I could see what you're holding. But it's not bad. AVGO I like. You already know AVGO is pretty expensive, so you paid IV on that. It's all good. AVGO has a nice setup right now if it triggers. So if we lose these lows 232.50, we can start slipping a bit down to like 201. So a cool little $30 range. If you want to do one bi-weekly, one safe, then yeah, I'll probably run maybe like, let me check the prices for you again. The 600s for the 28 are at 350 right now. They're already up like 6%. And then for March 21, or yeah, probably March 21 is best. If you want to do 585s, those are at 370. So you could run two for like 700 around there. Both the aggressive one at 600 for their 2 weeks out, and then the 585 for March 21. You can run like both for like 700.
Okay, 605.60, the purple zone, should be support, which starts from this orange line. This orange line, folks, is the 1218 crash. Remember 1218? The worst day of the year.
What time is it?
1218.
But I still want to see them for that 6100. If they don't, it is what it is. That 786 was still clean tag.
It was the worst day of the year. Regular trading hours. This is it. We're falling into it.
And this is previous day high, so this little zone right here. Previous day high. So two paths from here. One, they bounce it, go to that 6100 target. While we lose the lows, they could try to come to the 618. We'll see what's up. But I think we get this right here. Just one on high for now.
I would not touch the stock right now. You can lend the government money, and they'll pay you more than the dividend. Why would you put your money into risky assets? The risk-free investment right now, if you ask somebody, a money manager, say, give me a quick name, what is a risk-free investment? They'll say government bonds. Right? The U.S. has never defaulted, has not defaulted on its debt during modern times. So that is the risk-free trade, and it pays more than the dividends of all this stuff. Why would you do that? If the stock pays 3.5 dividends, you can get 4.5 for lending the government money for 30 days. That's the yield, the rate. Okay. Nvidia is falling a little bit, Apple's holding well. That's not good for the markets.
Right.
Trust me when I tell you, I've seen this movie. Ice Cube. Yeah, me too. I told you yesterday, I have a hefty sum of money inside of a crypto account so I can collect the the staking, the reward in USDC. You can use USDT, but I don't know how much staking it pays. USDC is very aggressive with that. You should know that USDC broke the buck at one point. March, we had an event. Somebody in the event, while I was presenting, I was standing in front of everybody. He goes, "Oh, Nick, by the way, that coin you like, yeah, it's crashing." I was like, "Wait, it's a stable coin." Yeah, yeah. Right. I remember, I think I was in San Francisco. I sat in a chair and I looked at my phone. It definitely was in LA, I'm sorry. And I read about it and I got educated. What happened was the backers of the stablecoin, the banks, one of them was a company that had money in SBB. And when SVB folded, they assumed that all of the money of that company is gone. So A, they didn't have all their money there, and B, they were only 8% backers of the USDC. So you can see the USDC chart broke the buck. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I think it's fun to check it out. USDC. This should be 1 at all times. Look, boink, point 0.8, lost 20%. That was March 11th, 2023. We had a financial crisis, a contrived financial crisis, but it recovered right away. You see, stablecoin should be 1. It has these little wicks and pops and whatever, who cares? But boink, and then a couple months later, boink. All right, so now we convincingly lost the blue line. Pratik, are you here? Yeah, I love that word. 60640, 60660 SPY matters. I will put a circle there, I guess. This zone is the mini test for the bulls. If the bulls cannot take this out, we're probably going to come down into this zone next. That's a big if. The bulls have stepped up to the plate at all times today. We shall see. You have to look at the mega caps and see what they can do with that. Okay. Looking at my account, I used the overall health of that account to tell you if this move is priced in or not.
Yeah, my bad, bro. I was muted. What you get in, bro? We haven't even gotten any Wakefields yet. You literally see the path, bro. Wait for the Wakefield. Come on, pot. No, that's all good. But yeah, you could have probably gotten filled up here. We'll see what's up if we get there. But yeah, if once we get that wick fill, probably better to add. If that's the only trade you've taken, wait to add your other trade up there. If you already took both, well, you fucked, look. But you'll be straight. What date is that? February 28th. Sheesh. Yeah, usually, bro, this is the way I like to do it. When the market's moving slow, or you got time to be patient, or like right now for this example, you got time to add. Price is moving slow, nothing crazy right now. Wick hasn't been filled. So one of two things: you either set the conditional limit orders how I told you, so as soon as price gets here. So the way conditional orders work, let's say you want to take this trade setup, for example, you would put in the conditional order, enter a put on SPY or SPX or whatever once we get that wick fill. So first condition is this line here, condition 1. Wait for this wick to fill. Once we get up there in price, then that condition is met. Second condition, because I usually put more than one condition on the trade, you could put second condition. What did you get in at? Let's say you got in at 336. You could put second condition, fill me at $3 or less. So you see it's at 330 and you're like, all right, well, fuck it. If it gets into that wick fill and I could get it for 10% less, then I'll buy in. So you set up first condition, gets there, check. Second condition, price is under 3, check. If price is at 240 or whatever price happens to be at, and you set your condition at 3, that's fine. You'll get filled at whatever current price is at. It just needs to be under the set price you put. or if you want to sell, you would put sell at 3, and then it'll sell at 3 or higher, so you're chilling. But that's the way I would run this right now. Or if you don't want to set the conditional, just wait for us to get up there, then you can do it. But I'm telling you, that's why the conditional orders are clutch as fuck, because you literally don't have to wait. You could have waited from, let's say, down here and said, hey, I don't want to take the upside. Literally just set your order conditions into that 6100, and when it happens, boom, takes the trade for you. You don't got to do nothing. But yeah, that's how I'd run it. Test it out, bro. Try to set up an order. So right now you're chilling. Try to learn how to do it, and then later on when you're like trading actively and you got to be quick and shit, you won't struggle. But you can do it for buying and selling. It's clutch.
This is unbelievable.
On TOS, you should be able to, bro. Yeah, you should be able to.
Can you imagine being allowed to go back to work?
There's no way you can't.
Calling is one thing, but your mental capacity have to play in when the only thing you do is think and speak.
Yeah, bro.
You know,
Go on YouTube. They got videos and shit, but you could. Excuse me. And I'm telling you, you can do more than one condition. So first condition would be price. The number one condition is always price, because you know price action, you could have like choppy as shit, like today. The options price might not look entirely the same as the price action. So you set your first condition always based off of the price action. If you want to set a second condition on the options chart or the options price action, you can do that too. But the first and foremost, you trade off of this. So same thing to the downside. Let's say we're shorting to this box. You could enter here on a 0DT, for example. You can say, hey, I want to short here. Let me change the color.
falling into the base. That purple line is a base.
You can say, hey, I want to short here. And the minute we get into here, sell for me. So you have a buy order here, a sell order here. Literally automatically, you don't touch nothing, you don't do nothing, just place it beforehand and wait. As soon as price gets in there, boom, filled. Gets into here, boom, filled. And I'm telling you, you'll make cash flow without even having to look at the trades. You get way less, you feel way less emotions too, because you're not like, oh, should I trim, should I book, should I reduce, should I not? Like, you already have predetermined, hey, I'm gonna trim this much here, I'm gonna put stop loss at break even here. Everything is done automatically for the most part. So you just wait for price action, literally. The only way you can fuck it up after that is if you start fucking with your orders. But once you preset your orders before you even take the trade, you already have predetermined risk, predetermined entry, predetermined exit, and you know, you just pretty much let the trade do its thing from there. Whether it works out or doesn't work out, it's up to the trade. But it's a lot less execute on my phone. No. PC now mobile videos. Well, you have your laptop, bro. Get the app. If you're not using Thinkorswim app, you're sleeping, bro. Because the app for PC is clutch. Phone's cool too, but the PC app is where it's at. If not, try it on low-key. I don't use Robinhood. I don't think you can do it on Robinhood. Check Robinhood, maybe. I doubt it though. I know Weeble could do it. iBroker could do it. I'm telling you, Thinkorswim could do it.
606 already played out, so maybe 609 next. You see, the bulls are in charge. They're buying this.
Can you hear the background, by the way? You hear my audio, like what I'm listening to right now?
We're deciding whether we want to make a higher high or come to the I'm going to change the color for pink circles. Now,
All right, bet.
magnets.
Hey, I'm gonna change. I'm gonna just go through like a bunch of charts and change time frames and shit. Just watch the screen. I'm trying to see if there's like delay or lag or frames drop or anything like that. Because look, one of the first times I stream. All right, let's see. Netflix, AVGO, Kosh. Oh shit, AVGO did get that bounce off. We were talking about those lows. So at 232.50 that held. If that holds, we could push up for a bit. We'll see what's up. Meta. Damn, bro, this looks so clean. Let's chart Meta up real quick. Look at all the sell side, bro.
launch is
Sheesh.
but I can believe it.
Sheesh. I know there's more down here too. Yup, there's more down here, but I'll focus on these three for now. Look at all this south side.
Nothing dramatic, more dramatic.
Let's move this over.
Then they're gonna say, "Whew, go." Oh, I don't know who that is.
Crazy talk.
Is there a video?
Look at all that south side liquidity, bro. First one is a 7% drop, 50 bucks, 11, 84 bucks, 115, 16% drop. It looks crazy, like fuck, a 16% drop on Meta, no way. Bro, it's literally last month's levels. Like, why the fuck not?
I'll be right back.
These are probably some fibs right here, let's check. Where should I check from? Got this high. And this actually did a UTAT already. Sheesh. It's about to get nasty. Why could I not grab this shit? What the fuck? This is gonna be mean as fuck. So the furthest for like a short-term swing I see on this jit is maybe even down to 510, bro, which is aggressive. But hey, why not? That's what we were trading at September. How many months ago was that? Not that crazy. It's less than 6 months. We got all of this still. Gap here.
They survived another push.
That is insane. Hey, right now that I'm typing this shit, cause you hear my keyboard crazy or not?
Somebody said they're looking for a photo. Confirmed. Okay, so that's a mature reaction of the activity. No, but you can tell. You can tell. Alright, so we have falling peaks here. Kind of, not really. We have head and shoulders. They're trying to fight for the neckline. I'm a level guy. I don't consider. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is the head and shoulders. To me, they haven't lost. They're trying to recover. I prefer to see levels. I can tell you, if we do 6073, we're going to 6060. That's a level that's a little bit more dependable than that. But that is what they're fighting for. But you can also say, holy moly, we got some tightening conditions. We have a squeeze of the range. It looks like a fish.
Reset what next? Netflix?
You were trading wildly and now you're pinching it into a small zone. Okay, so these are things to consider. Move comfortably.
20% loud? What you mean? Like you can't hear me that good? Or I just need your text. Netflix. Netflix is fire too, but it's a little easier. I don't have it here. It's fine. So you have some type of tightening formation here. You want to see us break down from like these lows. Once we start breaking these lows right here, let me move this up actually. I like that. That's fine. Once we start breaking down from here, Netflix is a little bit better of a short. Maybe like under these levels. I like Netflix, so sells below what level? 1030. What the fuck? Where the text go? Yeah, so sells below that level. I like. There's a pattern you have, so you would want to see something like. So first step. Shit. First step, lose this, right? You want to see something like that. Take this level out. Then you're gonna have second drop to take these levels out if it happens. Then from there, you got this whole range to the downside, which is basically what you're targeting or aiming for. But even then, even if you just catches a little range, that's still almost $100 on that drop. And then if we do happen to lose this slow, that's where you'll get a big leg down for like a quick $100 drop. Maybe by damn, it's a lot of time. I drew this out, you know, obviously quick by hand. You see me do this shit. It lines up to April, beginning of April. I think that's too much time. Maybe if you want to load early April, that's straight. But I'm telling you, I'm targeting that fucking March 21-ish. If it happens by the last week of March, that's cool. But I don't think you'll need all that time. Or probably come down pretty quick, but we'll see what's up. So target maybe like March 28. Shit. Maybe like a little sweet spot here from the 20. Shit. From the 28th out to like, shit, I went too far. From the 4th to like the 28th or something. I'm even out to the 21st. Fuck it. Not bad. Where's the 21st? Right here. Yeah, straight, something like that. Ooh, that's pretty clean. Yeah, bro. This lines up. If it triggers, we could have some pretty nice selling into next week. So maybe load 21st or 28. Literally line up pretty perfect. So some cons for next week, some cons for 2 weeks out. Both could pay pretty nice. You got 2.2, 2.5 lining up into next week Friday, and then 4 lining up into next week Thursday. So you can buy Thursday or Friday for next week if you want. Obviously this is Netflix, but you can do it on spot. Not bad, not bad. Should I send this one out? Nah, it's all good. Or fuck it, I'll take a screenshot. What else? What I got on the list? Oh yeah, how could I forget? Costco. This shorty about to go crazy too. Look at that. Bro, the minute we break this fucking trend, look at how steep this trend is. And we literally at the Pico top of it. We could drop literally all this and still be within trend. So that's at least $100 drop. And then if we lose that trend from here, ooh, buddy, shit about to get nasty. Now we obviously got lower targets, but I just need to get in up here and capture anything down here. Leave some runners if it happens, but there's a move I want right here. So this one's pretty easy. It looks kind of like Netflix. Only difference is Netflix already kind of triggered sales. Not really, but Netflix pulled back a little bit. So you have the same exact setup. Can I put them on next to each other? I could, but whatever, it's all good. So you have the pretty much same setup on Costco here that you had on Netflix a while ago. Only difference is Netflix is kind of like one candle ahead. So it already had the small pullback. It's trading maybe like around here. And then we're going to see what Netflix can do. Can it come back up, take out the highs? Or does the next candle break the lows and put in a new low? So Costco is currently up here, still hasn't done that. Once the new candle, we got 34 minutes for a new, what time is it? Yeah, 9:30. We got 34 minutes for a new 3-hour candle open. So depending what this next candle does, that's going to determine if we're driving lower like Netflix, which I think is ahead, or continue pushing up. My guess is probably lower, but we do have your GP up here. So if they really wanted to, they could come do GP before sending it lower. So we'll see what's up. But the setup or the way you would trade it with the conditional orders, I'm telling you, bro, get in the habit of doing conditional. It's gonna help you out a lot. You'll save time. You'll be way less stressed because you don't have to manage. Everything's already predetermined. You just pretty much wait back and let shit either hit TP or hit stop loss. Yikes. There we go. So sells below here. Sounds below 10, 70.67.
The bearish thesis here is still there.
And then you can do targets. For sure, you got one here.
Still pointing lower, but the longer we stay here, the more buyers.
Damn, that's yesterday's low.
The less downside.
That's just up like 30 bucks overnight. Crazy.
So suddenly the thesis changes. A minute ago, I had two things very.
Oof, yep, need to mark that.
And now one of them is fixing itself because they are put buyers. This is, when I say this market is done, I speak of both sides. The bears are like.
That's fine for now.
Or not here. It's just the flow doing dumbish things, but no, they're just going with the flow. As unreasonable as it is. But the mistake is that we flash low, we establish concrete floors, and we come up and we have an opportunity to sustain the selling, and we don't. And the longer you sit there without fulfilling your target, the less likely it is you're going to get your target. And if you tell me that the guy came in and the XLD is not falling, so now we don't have any obvious weakness in here. How about the XLP and such? Did they fall? No. So it was inconsequential to the market.
Costco by be
now,
nutty.
This is the 15-second chart. I'm going to go back to 5 minutes here and see if it's usable at the 5-minute level. Yeah, we can do that on the 5-minute level. This looks like a breakout. This looks like a breakout. They did not take advantage of
shit, what I do?
this dip too quickly. So the breakout is available.
Not the foot.
Hold a foot for no reason. Credit call spread is different. Holding a foot requires you to block. Credit call spread is different.
What the fuck did I do?
And time is your friend. And we are coming into a pretty sizable catalyst. The scariest person on the planet right now is Trump. So they're expecting scary things. So if they don't get scary things, they're going to have a relief rally. And that relief rally will obliterate the resistance today and explode. People probably be warned of what's going on. I'm not playing both sides of the fence. If you're trading fast, I'm telling you the fast trades that could happen. If you take a side, you're guessing. If you have a thesis, that's great. There's a difference. If you don't have a reason to hold a call, don't hold a call. Or you can sell a call or sell a put or get spread in order to bet on support and resistance. That would be a thesis. You can do both to everybody. If you're buying a call because you see something, like a wolf wave that points up, money, breakout, flag, whatever studies you follow, RSI, squeeze, whatever you follow, that's legit. If you buy a call because you feel like we're going up, that's not legit. You may make money, but it's pure luck. Nobody's lucky enough to make a living out gut feelings. They have a system. Everybody that trades fast has a system. You call it a bearish flag. I disagree. On a very low time frame. There's no way. There's what time frame are you looking at? It cannot be 5 minutes. 1 minute maybe, but it's just a drop and a consolidation of a drop. Let's just trade with the forget flags. Let's trade with it. Pure low. You cannot deny low straight lines. There's no interpretation. I don't use MACD. I don't use the PM scripts. They don't provide interpretation. The stuff I use is they're excellent. For whoever loves to use them, please continue to use them. They don't work.
TSM is low-key clean too, bro.
something like it.
But I'd probably rather take ABGO. I'm gonna probably end the stream, bro. I just wanted to test it a bit. I'm gonna probably rewatch it, see how the resolution looks, sound, and all that shit. But I'll probably start the streams next week, so we'll see what's up.
And do I do it consistently enough? If not, take it off and see if you miss it.
Yeah, I'm gonna check something real quick before I hop off.
There's not a lot of them. These are all blind. I have the things that I don't need any of them. Having harmonics, which is turned on, makes my life
This
better.
bitch still going.
Having volume profile makes my life
Give me a Wickfield already, stupid.
Okay, having there are two that are mine that I put for you. Like I have this one, those little thin lines you see here. That's part of the order block modified thing. These red and green blocks and these thin lines go together. This is for you, so you can see the levels I'm looking at. Like if I say I'm expecting buyers here, for no one, that's because that's where they showed up. Look, this matches that and some more yesterday. That's why they're there. They're clusters of levels that have mattered in the last few days. So these boxes, these red and green boxes, will be tomorrow's thin dotted lines. So basically, you look at my chart. If I'm not speaking, you say, okay, this is resistance, this was support loss, so now this is resistance. And then from yesterday, we have had this level also play out, backup support. So now we have support and backup support, and we're at resistance from yesterday and today. So you can look at this. If I'm not saying anything, you know what these boxes are flying. Those are for you. I look left and I see that information. So I don't need a lot. But let's say I'm struggling and it's like, okay, I need an extra thing to make my mind up. Then I'll go back to something else.
Yeah, fuck it. I don't know what ODT. ODT you got, but if they're puts, what time would this be? This would happen closer to 11. I don't know how far out your strike is. And I'm not saying this happens, but I mean, if we do fill this by like 11, you have like the hope that we get a crazy sell into the close or something. But again, I don't know how far your strike is or none of that. So up to you if you just want to save the capital.
No, that's great. So maybe we open inside this box tomorrow, and then this way we will have a legitimate fight for the breakout. This was the range from Friday that will meet this yellow box.
Yeah, so the setup right here is a break of lows, which are these highs. So retest this level, which is previous resistance, now forward support. But pretty much the setup here is straightforward. Come fill this wick. Doesn't even have to go that high, you know. We could do maybe like a 0.5 or a 618 or something. So maybe even into here. And somewhere in the zone, we fade again if it's that we don't go for the wig fill. But again, that's a big if. First step and first thing to watch is 183, 182 level here. If we get the bounce from here, then yeah, something like that could happen. But if we start breaking down from here and rolling over, the rest of the market should be coming down too. So it's pretty much a market dependent trade. SPY breaks out here, Google buy the dip opportunity potentially. But if we do get this sell we're looking for here on SPY, then no, that's not going to be, what is this? That's not going to be possible. Damn, this looks disgusting. I have a million things on there. And test the same comments pretty much. So this was resistance back here, forward resistance, then we had a little bit of a support here. That's where we bounced from. So two things like Google, bounce if the market breaks out, go higher. But if the market does roll over here, then we have lower targets on both of these. But we'll see what we get. Bro, this was a crazy trade last year. I'm pretty sure you remember this. But that's pretty much it. We'll see what's up. We should get our answer maybe even by tomorrow. Honestly, all I want to wait for is that wick fill. Once we get that wick fill, if we gonna sell, the sell should come pretty shortly after. If we get the wick fill and we don't really look like they want to sell it, then it is what it is. They're probably gonna go for higher targets. But as soon as I see that 6100 wick fill, I'm gonna be more comfortable to start betting some money on those sells. And like I said, if we start pushing higher, then just stop out. But I'm not really too interested on those sells until we fill that wick. Then it's like, all right, you got the green light to enter. We'll see what's up. But yeah, it should be interesting next week. Hopefully, is a little fun, but all right, okay. And this is lining up kind of like 2020, because if you check 2020 timeline, like date wise, this is right around shit. Look at the dates when we sold off. So we got this range, right? We were kind of chopping like we are right now. We just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Just choppy, right? Pretty choppy, but grinding up higher. Grinding formation, kind of like the one we have now. So, little move, we get this squeeze. And then obviously, you know, you guys remember what happens after that. But look at the dates. February 21. February 14. So it's like, this is literally where we are right now. Today. What are we today? The 13th. We're here. So date wise, we're right here in today's market. So look at that. So let's extend this. Let's try something out. We got a little bit of a chop. Actually, you know what? It's way too much. I don't need all that. Start from here. Yeah, all this bullshit. Oh, it's the distribution chart. Yeah, bro, this is a pretty clean distribution if they manage to get it off. They'll take us to like 511, 510. And once they get us there, I don't think they're going to stop there, bro. Lose that 510, 500 level. We got all of this. Look at that massive open gap we got right here. What level is this? 450s. We'll see what's up, but I'm telling you, this shit lining up crazy with 2021. I mean 2020. Let's paste this here. Ah, come on, they probably pasted it back there. Oh shit.
Stevie, are you in here? Yeah, I don't think the bond auction is going to launch it whatever Tom has to say. I don't know if he releases a statement, like written statement that reads it or what. How that's people are waiting.
Where the fuck? I'll be pretty mean, bro. Do the size of that drop. If we get something like COVID, SPY's going sub 500. I'm gonna catch it, bro. I'm gonna do some other shit for I was streaming. I started switching screens and shit. I'll catch you again. I'll see what's up, but yeah, I'll be streaming.